Pool patch and repair. If your pool has sprung a leak, it can quickly drain your fun. Let's get that leak patched up and get everyone back out in the sun again. First, try to find where the water is coming from by checking if there are any wet or excessively damp areas around the pool. Once you have identified the general area of the leak, use a special dye or dark food coloring inside the pool. By adding the dye slowly, you can see where the water flows, helping you find the specific hole causing the leak. Locate the leak from the outside of the pool. Then get into the pool and locate it on the interior pool wall. Unpeel the patch and apply it slowly to the leak. Press and rub the patch firmly with your fingers to release any trapped air bubbles. Flatten the patch until it is completely smooth. On the outside of the pool, check the patched area for any leakage. Cool off by playing in your pool.